I'm tired and thirsty walking in desert. Water. Where is it? Oh, I think it was a mirage. Do you know what is mirage? I'm going to tell you on one condition. If you're going to give me water. Thank you. Now, let me explain you the concept. Now, Mirage is an optical illusion which is usually seen during hot summer days. Now, why exactly mirage is seen or why this optical illusion takes place, let us understand. Now, during hot summer days, if you are going to see the temperature near the surface is much more greater as compared to temperature above. As the temperature of air at the surface is greater as compared to the temperature of air above, means here we have a denser medium and here we have a rarer medium. Now, due to this difference in temperature, mirage takes place. Now, normally what happens is when I see an object, there are different layers of air. Now, these layers of air are at different temperature. Now, when sunlight comes and strikes the object, that is our tree, then it gets reflected. After getting reflected, it enters into the first layer where it is traveling from your denser medium to the rarer medium and it suffers refraction. Again, due to different temperature and different density of air at different position, it suffers continuous refraction. Now it reaches the position at which it suffers total internal reflection. Means at this point the angle of incidence is greater than the critical angle of incidence and the light gets reflected. This reflected light comes into our eye and our eye traces a straight line path. After tracing a straight line path, what we see an image there. As image is seen there, what we actually feel is the object is placed there. Now, normally mirage happens due to this total internal reflection of clouds. So what we see reflection of cloud and that appears as water. That is the reason during hot summer days, we see water bodies that are nothing but optical illusion called as mirage.